Hey friends, if you wish to fix the issue of taskbar icons not working on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. The first solution is to restart Windows Explorer because the Windows Explorer process is the one which manages the taskbar. Search for Task Manager in the Windows search bar and open Task Manager. Wait for the list to load. Right click on the Windows Explorer process and then select Restart. The next solution is to update Windows. And how will you do that? So right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab on the list on the left hand side, and then you can click on Check for Updates in the right pane. The next solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The last solution is System Restore. So search for Recovery in the Windows search bar and open Recovery. Click on Open System Restore. Click Choose a different restore point. Select Next. Choose a good restore point here. Click on Next and finally click on Finish and click on Yes to initiate the process. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.